Does Jeep Gladiator wheel spacers brand matter? When it comes to Jeep Gladiator wheel spacers, brands matter. Brands offer safety and reduce the risk of disappointment. Higher quality brand spacers pay off big time in terms of reliability. This is especially critical when you frankly go off-roading. High-quality Jeep Gladiator wheel spacers bring a level of reliability that also reduces maintenance costs. Real Jeep Gladiator wheel spacers from a reputable company are always the safety option. Companies that provide quality, well-made Jeep Gladiator wheel spacers invest a hefty sum in designing and testing their products. Years of research and development make their Jeep Gladiator wheel spacers safer and more reliable. So, general brand Jeep Gladiator wheel spacers are essentially safe for daily driving. It is proven that as long as you use high-quality Jeep Gladiator wheel spacers and install them properly, there will be no safety issues. BONOSS brand Jeep Gladiator wheel spacers strive to maintain top quality and the best user experience. Designed with longevity and consumer safety in mind, BONOSS promise an uncompromising fit, finish, and level of quality. Apart from the basic functions of spacers, BONOSS Jeep Gladiator wheel spacers provide more particular features. For example, the FT cooling function, distribute impact shape. These heat dissipation grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. These FT cooling Jeep Gladiator wheel spacers are designed to make brake cooling better. In order to distinguish the real BONOSS Jeep Gladiator wheel spacers and protect customers' interest, BONOSS has built a complete authentication system. When you get the BONOSS Jeep Gladiator wheel spacers, check the authentication code on the package. Then compare these numbers with BONOSS official stores database. If they don't match, they are not genuine BONOSS products. It is always good to use general brand Jeep Gladiator wheel spacers. Each BONOSS genuine wheel spacers is BONOSS engraved. These Jeep Gladiator wheel spacers are made in a BONOSS own factory, so the quality is well guaranteed. Besides, general BONOSS Jeep Gladiator wheel spacers are covered by the manufacturer warranty. Good quality is guaranteed to perform well and last for the life of the vehicle. If you guys want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers for your car, please make sure to see the link in the description. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.